Hi, my name is Naya. I'm here at Excel at Math, and today's lesson is going to be rewriting fractions with common denominators. This is typically a 4th and 5th grade concept, so yeah, let's get started. So the problem here wants us to rewrite these two fractions with a common denominator. And typically with these problems, we always start looking at the denominators and finding common multiples. So let's do that. So 4 is the multiples of 4. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 10. We got 10, 20, 30, 40. And we can stop here because we see 20 is both a common multiple of 4 and 10. Then moving over, we got to get that denominator there. And how we get there is by multiplication. What we multiply 4 by to get 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the 5 to make it truly equivalent. 1 times 5 is 5, 4 times 5 is 20. So over here, we got 5 over 20 is equal to 1/4. And then let's do the same for 9 over 10. And to get 10, 20, we multiply by 2, both numerator and denominator. 9 times 2 is 18, and 10 times 2 is 20, and there we have it. Yeah, so there we have it, and now the fractions have been written with a common denominator. See you guys next time.